Let me show you how to create a Whop account. So all you have to do, guys, is open up your browser and go to whop.com. That's WHOP.com, or you can simply type that within Google. So if you, for example, go to Google and you type in Whop or whatever, let me go ahead and show you. Type in Whop. Go ahead and hit search there. You'll find the official website, and you can click on that, and it's going to take you over to the official website. Now, to create an account is super easy. You can go ahead and you can sign in with your Discord, you can sign in with your Google account, and even your Apple account. In this case, I'm gonna just simply choose, for example, Google, and allow my Google account here, and just simple go ahead and click and continue. And you'll need to receive a verification code, so you want to head over to your email address that you have and wait for that code to appear. It should be pretty fast, and as you can see here, within a moment, as you can see under my updates, you will have your email somewhere here. You'll receive the email somewhere, whether under your updates or your general inbox. Depending on how you structure it, you'll find the verification code. Now, as you can see, I got my verification code, and I'm going to just simply head back and paste that in. Then it's going to basically ask me about my name. I'm going to continue. You can go ahead and you can set this to whatever you want as your username. You can always change that later. Go ahead and click next. It's going to ask you your date of birth, so you can basically fill in whatever it is. I'm going to just make up something real quick. It needs to be in a certain year, so let's choose that. Click next. And from here, you can choose if you want to upload a picture or you want to use one of these images. I'm going to use one of these images for now, so let's choose this and click on save. Now, right here, it's going to ask you if you want to create a WAP. You can choose if you want to do it now or you can do it later. In this case, I'm going to choose not interested. Let's browse the marketplace instead. And once you choose that, it's going to take you right into WAP. And this is what it looks like. Now you can go ahead and you can explore what's here. You have home, you have discovery, you have your messages, you have notifications, create a WAP, affiliates, and you have your profile search. And you can also go ahead and expand the sidebar if you so want to do and go into other menu features and so forth. But that's it. If you want to learn more about WAP, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna ensure that I create a lot more videos showing you how to use the WAP website. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.